I've never seen such support on a decision before. Truckers, everybody, they're saying, we're not going to deal in New York. People are leaving New York. I've never seen support like this. I think there's a lot of pressure on the court system of New York to do what's right.
That's Donald Trump talking about the overwhelming support he's seen from truckers following the insane ruling in his New York civil fraud case. Welcome to Nerk News. I'm Nerkish. Today we're going to take a few minutes to discuss a developing story about truckers refusing to drive loads to and from New York City after New York State Supreme Court Justice Judge Engoron fined Donald Trump $364 million in what many are calling a politically motivated attack. Here's Judge Engoron smiling and laughing for the camera after delivering the verdict.
Where they will be thrilled. And that's the problem, is that, you have James now being shown in the background, you've got Trump in the foreground, and it fulfills the narrative on both sides. Trump is likely right.
That's gross. Well, he won't be smiling for long if the truckers have anything to say about it. The boycott started Monday, and it looks like New York residents might be feeling the impact sooner than they think.
It could shut New York City down. And, I don't want to hurt the people of New York. That's not what I'm trying to do. But my part in it, if New York just loses 10%, just 10% of the trucks that go in there, their prices are going to skyrocket on everything from milk to eggs to any type of goods that the consumer needs. And when that happens, it's going to cost everybody more money.
You go, Cannon, New York. You will see all the emptiness tonight in the truck stop. Trucker strike tomorrow, New York, good luck.
I just received a call from a company that I was getting a load from, and they just said they don't have any loads going to New York. So if you're in New York, you won't be receiving anything from these drivers. I don't know if it's real, but I know that the companies are now saying that they're not delivering loads. It's not just the truckers, it's the companies also. Get yourself prepared, New York.
It looks to be like as though loads going to East Coast, New York City, New York State, they're going to have to be paying more to get it there. But I wouldn't fault that driver for taking that 30% more. I ain't faulting him. All right? But if people in New York City got to pay 30% more for milk and eggs, that's going to hit. That's going to bite.
Well, there you have it. Not good news for a city that already has so many issues. I mean, what do you get when you take a city that's being flooded with migrants, has businesses shutting down because of rampant looting, and then add food shortages? It sounds like a recipe for disaster to me, especially when you consider that what's left of the police force has been handicapped, and all of the wealthy, law-abiding residents have already fled. Sounds like things could get pretty ugly for all those smug hipsters who aren't taking this too seriously. Maybe that's why there's a sudden influx in articles about MAGA warping American politics. Oh, how original. Now, I don't know if you recall, but they did the same thing when there were rumors about a convoy headed to Texas to support Governor Greg Abbott. It's one of the favorite tools the establishment has, and it perfectly highlights how they're at odds with regular American citizens. The left has always been somewhat of a paper tiger, so the only thing they could really do in response to this is write a bunch of fear-mongering propaganda so that MSNBC and CNN can do 24-hour news cycles on it. Because despite all their Marxist nonsense, they hate blue-collar workers and simply can't understand Trump's popularity with them. But let me know what you think. Do you support the truckers? Will this have an impact? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That stuff really does help us out. Until then, this has been Nerk News. Thanks for watching. Bye!